Hi, I'm Chuck Bragdon
And I'm Gregory Paul.
with Water Saver Solutions. Last year, we began sharing a series of best management practice videos on some very critical but often misunderstood water-related issues in healthcare facilities.
The goal was simple: to help healthcare teams better understand their water and how small decisions can have a big impact on cost and safety.
Let's share some of the highlights from that journey.
One of the topics we covered was the importance of protecting your spout with a laminar flow device and the risks of an unprotected faucet.
Non-aerating laminar flow devices are a simple upgrade that offer a number of benefits, especially when compared to leaving your faucet spout open and unguarded.
Next, we addressed a topic that still surprises a lot of people: why aerators are dangerous in hospitals. Aerators, we explained, introduce air and also create aerosolization. This introduces an unnecessary risk in patient care environments. In healthcare settings, water safety is critical, and the risk of waterborne contamination is something we can't overlook. Aerators mix air and water that create fine mist droplets. These create a vehicle for dangerous bacteria, including Legionella. These droplets can easily be inhaled, putting patients and staff at risk for respiratory infections.
This naturally led to a discussion on threadless spouts and the risks they introduce. The video focuses on how small points can create big problems if not maintained.
In hospitals, threadless spouts can introduce an additional risk because if there's a bacteria outbreak, or maybe your CFUs counts go up on bacteria, you're not going to be able to attach your first line of defense, which is actually a point-of-use filter. From there, we move to something that's absolutely critical in healthcare: properly flushing fixtures. Flushing isn't just a checklist item, it's a daily tool in the ongoing fight against stagnation and bacteria. Maintaining water safety in your healthcare facility is crucial, and proper faucet flushing is an essential part of minimizing your waterborne contamination.
A natural next step was discussing shower heads, a very vulnerable component in the water system.
Showers are very important to maintain and flush. This is your second source of potential Legionella. This year, we're excited to continue the conversation. In 2026, we'll be sharing new videos that go even deeper into how your healthcare water systems perform and how to get real value from them. Some of the topics that we'll be talking about are why we call ourselves the H2RY people, the value of preventive maintenance, ASHRAE 188 and 514 standards, and how they relate to your critical control points. And we'll be sharing many more topics beyond that.
Thank you for watching and being part of this 2025 conversation.
We look forward to continuing this video conversation with you in 2026 as we help healthcare teams make smarter decisions about their water. I'm Chuck Bragdon.
And I'm Gregory Paul.
From all of us at Water Saver Solutions and Fixture Care, we look forward to showing you our next video. At Water Saver Solutions, we're known as the H2ROI people. Our Fixture Care program helps healthcare organizations reduce Legionella risk, protect patients, and ensure compliance with ASHRAE standards 188 and 514, all through proactive app-driven fixture maintenance. Please visit us at fixturecare.com for a complete library of our best practice videos.